giganto bunny. Bigger than a bear. Bigger than a giganto bear. And then they jumped on it. And he goes on the back. And the penguin goes on the back. And look. What? They had to put his legs like this. So he did that. And they dropped him. And they dropped both of them. So he went down back to get them. And when he got them, they never fell out. They became friends. And he go on the back. And he got a ride. Boom! And it. Mommy told you not to stop. Okay. Mommy, give me that accordion.
It's a harmonica, silly.
I know. Oh.
Not too hard, okay? Very gentle.
Okay, Mommy, now you do.
I think it's their bedtime. They're crying.
No one's crying. Okay, Mommy?
Yeah?
Before it's your bedtime, I thought that we could do this, playing.
Hey guys, it's okay.
I want to. Oh, wait.
I want to watch you. Wait.
I want to watch. Hey.
Say goodnight. Say goodnight, John John Peanuts. Eva, say goodnight to your brothers. They're going to look at this when they're bigger, and they're going to see you saying goodnight to them.
Good night.
Oh, I'm sorry, Peanut. I mean, John John.
Mommy, why do you keep forgetting? That's funny.
I know. All right. Good night, toys.
Good night, my babies.
Good night, Peanut. I'm coming, John John. Good night, Eva.
Good night. And then, baby, good night.